Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. The question is, with the pressure on today's young people to succeed academically, some people believe that non-academic subjects, example, physical education and cookery, should be removed from the syllabus so that children can concentrate wholly on academic subjects. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So the question is basically saying there's certain subjects like physical education, cooking, music should be removed from the curriculum, and only core subjects like science, mathematics, English should be studied by students. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So let's look at the first part. Agree. Removing non-academic subjects. So this is talking about removing subjects such as cooking or physical education. Increased academic performance. Focusing solely on academics could potentially lead to higher grades and test scores. So the argument is, if you focus only on core subjects, students can give them more time and thus get better grades. Time saved from non-academic classes could be dedicated to revision, problem solving, and mastering core subjects. Time saved from non-academic subjects could be used to revise core subjects and become a master of those subjects. The second point is cost effectiveness. Eliminating non academic subjects could reduce school operating costs associated with specialized instructors, equipment, and facilities. So, if there are no non core subjects such as cooking or physical education, schools would not have to hire instructors for those programs, and thus it would reduce the cost that the school would have to pay, and subsequently those costs might be passed to students as well, which will lead to less fees. Now let's look at the other side. Disagree not removing non-academic subjects. So basically this part is saying we should not remove subjects such as cooking. Holistic development. Holistic on a whole. Okay, not just on the surface level, on the whole. Non-academic subjects like physical education and cookery foster build physical fitness, creativity, emotional intelligence, and practical life skills, which are crucial for overall well-being. We all know the importance of physical fitness. They all say health is wealth. So subjects such as physical education will improve the student, will improve his body and him or her as a person. Also, cooking is a life skill that everybody should need to know. Cooking is something that you should not be dependent on other person or some specialist or some or your mother or your parents. You should learn by yourself. Stress reduction and motivation. Non-academic classes provide a break from academic pressure, offering opportunities for physical activity, creative expression, and social interaction. Non-academic classes help you to interact with other people. So if there are a lot of people, for example, you're playing a game of basketball, you're interacting with other people as well because it's a team sport, right? Physical activity, obviously, basketball is a strenuous sport, so you will have a lot of physical activity. Also, you will express your emotions. Sports, you will see the people who are watching game. They are very expressive. They express their emotion when their team scores a goal or when they celebrate, and when their team concedes, they become sad. So it ensures emotion. It infuse emotion. This can improve student morale, reduce stress, and even enhance academic performance. It reduces stress. Countless researchers have stated that physical activity reduces stress, boosts morale. Obviously, you're doing a physical activity, it will boost your morale as well and might lead to an increase in academic performance. The third point is talent discovery and diversification. Non academic subjects can help students discover talents and passions outside traditional academic domains. Domains, areas. This diversification promotes well being, leading to future careers unrelated to academic successes. Many people become successful, famous, not just for studies, they become famous in sports. Like, for example, Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, they are all sport person. Neeraj Chopra, for example, and they have transcended from traditional careers like doctor or engineers and chosen sports as their career and have achieved a lot of success. Fourth point, essential life skills. Cookery, personal finance, and other non academic subjects teach essential life skills that are not covered in the core subjects. Many students or many people in general do not know how a bank operates or how investments operate. Okay, this is an essential life skill. If a non core subject, for example, personal finance comes in, if the school hires instructors teaching students about personal finance, it will help students learn about fixed deposits, debentures, and other features that will help them to increase their personal wealth. Okay, these skills are crucial for independent living and adult responsibility. These skills are essential. Once you become an adult, you need to know how a bank operates, how I can cook food for myself. These are skills that everybody needs to know and are a part of adult responsibility. So, in my view, it is important that non academic subjects are not removed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button